Let's learn about converting meters to centimeters. Our question here is convert 7 meters to centimeters. And our hint is 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So let's go write down our 7 meters. Right here. We're going to multiply it by our ratio of meters to centimeters. But I'm going to put the centimeters on top. For every 100 centimeters, we have 1 meter. And I did this here because I know I will cancel out for the numerator, right? This is kind of just over 1. Numerator to denominator, that meters, the units, would cancel, leaving me only centimeters left, which is our goal. Now 7 times 100 gives us 700. Our units is centimeters. And we're dividing by 1. Doesn't do anything, so we can leave it as B. And so our answer here for converting 7 meters to centimeters is 700 centimeters. I hope you learned something here about converting meters to centimeters. And as always, thanks for watching.